Good morning, student. Today we learn about English Unit 2. It's about my father is a dentist. We learn about the jobs. For example, number 1, dentist. Follow me. Dentist. Doctor. Follow me. Doctor. Police officer. Follow me. Police officer. Farmer. Follow me. Farmer. Mechanic. Follow me. Mechanic. Chef. Follow me. Chef. And the last, vet. Follow me. Vet. Its meaning into Indonesian, dentist, dokter gigi. Doctor, dokter. Police officer, petugas polisi. Farmer, petani. Mechanic, mekanik. Chef, koki. Vet, dokter hewan. That's my lesson today. I hope you learn in your home. Thank you today.